In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get transparent Discord theme. Before we get started, it's important to know that Discord does not include a built-in setting that makes the app transparent. If you want that glass-like or see-through effect, you'll need to use a third-party client modification such as Vencord or Better Discord. You'll also need to enable the transparency setting inside that mod, and then apply a theme that supports transparency. One quick disclaimer before you continue. Modifying your Discord client can violate Discord's terms of service, so proceed at your own risk. The first thing you'll need to do is download and install either Vencord or Better Discord. These are client modification tools that add extra customization options to the standard Discord desktop app. During installation, follow the prompts carefully so the mod is injected into your normal Discord desktop client. Make sure you are applying it to the desktop version of Discord, since this won't work the same way in a browser. Once the installation is complete, fully relaunch Discord. That means closing it completely and reopening it, not just minimizing and restoring the window. This helps ensure that the client modification loads correctly and that all of its settings become available inside Discord. After Discord opens again, the next part is enabling window transparency. This is a very important step because themes alone won't make your Discord transparent unless the desktop window itself is allowed to become see-through. To do that, go to your user settings by clicking the gear icon in Discord. Inside the settings menu, look for the tab that belongs to the client mod you installed. If you chose Vencord, you should see Vencord-related settings. If you installed Better Discord, look for the Better Discord settings section. The exact layout may vary slightly depending on which mod you use and which version is currently installed, but the setting you need is generally easy to find once you're in the correct mod menu. From there, locate the Window Preferences menu. In that section, turn on the option called Enable Window Transparency. This setting is what allows the Discord window background to become transparent, so a compatible theme can actually show your desktop wallpaper or whatever is behind the app. If you skip this part, your theme may install correctly, but the transparency effect won't appear. Once you've enabled window transparency, restart Discord again to lock in that change. Just like before, close the app completely and reopen it so the window settings refresh properly. This second restart is often necessary because visual modifications like transparency sometimes don't fully apply until the client starts fresh. Now that the transparency option is active, go back into User Settings and navigate to the Themes tab. Open the Themes section, then choose any theme you want and click Download. If the first theme you pick doesn't look very transparent, that usually means it may not be designed specifically for that effect. So keep in mind that the final look depends heavily on the theme itself. After downloading the theme, close the user settings window completely, then open it again. This refresh helps Discord and the client mod recognize the newly added theme. Once you reopen settings, go back to the themes section. You should now see the theme you downloaded in the list. Enable that theme, and once it's turned on, your transparent Discord setup should take effect. If everything was done correctly, the combination of the client mod, the transparency setting, and the applied theme should give Discord a see-through appearance. A final tip here is to be patient if the effect doesn't show up immediately. In many cases, the issue is simply that Discord needs to be fully restarted again, or the selected theme isn't optimized for transparency. But as long as you've installed either Vencord or Better Discord, turned on Enable Window Transparency, and activated your downloaded theme, you've followed the correct process. And that's how to get a transparent Discord theme.